What's kind of the best exit to date, full or partial, and what's the least attractive, if you don't mind?
Yeah, that's a great question. So one, and happy to share the entire case study with you. One of, I think, the best exits that we've had is we did a Bowmore cask. It was a 22-year-old cask, and our thesis was that around that 25-year mark, you're going to continue to see demand appreciate almost in a step function type of manner. So as it approached that, and we held the asset for about 1 year, a buyer came to us, and we were able to exit that asset in about 11 months. And the net IRR on that was over 35%. It was an entire exit. Our thesis that we had identified played out, which is always validating when you've done this analysis and you're able to exit, realize those returns, and get that capital back into the hands of investors. So that's one. In terms of least attractive, we've had exits in terms of net IRRs. They've been between 12 and 165%. 165 was a pretty short hold for those assets. So what I would speak to is maybe a recent Bordeaux exit. One of the big alpha drivers that we found is our ability to not only source the assets below what we perceive to be the estimated fair market value, but also exit above that estimated fair market value, adding excess return to kind of the core asset appreciation. We had a Bordeaux exit, and the buyer that we identified, it was about a 2 or 3% above fair market value offer. We still thought it was an attractive time, and still, a 13.5% net IRR, but continue to expect anywhere from low single digit to, double digit